Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today I have something very unique that we got in on trade. It's not for sale, so don't worry about that. But this is the 1997 Chevrolet K1500 Silverado. It only has 114,000 miles on it. Honestly, the rust ain't half bad. Other than that, don't worry about that. But look at the interior. It is in mint condition. Look at this. Cruise control works. Your automatic windows work. Your AC works. Everything in this truck works. 114,375 miles. Does have a little bit of a manifold leak. Alright. Good old-fashioned seatbelt. So this is an auction car going straight to the auction, but oh, look at that! It's either a cup holder and an ashtray, or a little bit of both, but it works. And it's got the original owner's manual in there too. 4 high, 4 low. So you'll hear this manifold leak is nasty. But it runs and drives. So I said, you know what? I want to make a video on it because this is cool, and I don't think I'll ever get the chance to drive one of these in this decent of condition again. So this one has the 5 liter, which is the 305. You can get the 5.7, which I believe, I didn't do the math, but that might be the 350. Of course, you got front airbags, which is not SRS, it's Supplemental Inflatable Restraint, SIR. Listen, I'm not gonna do full throttle accelerations. This truck is a one family truck since new. 2 owner clean Carfax truck. Actually, no, there was 1 minor damage. Sorry. But this truck is about as mint as a New England example can be. And when I appraised this thing, I was, oh, a little bouncy. I was absolutely in awe. And you know, the oddball stuff on my channel always seems to do the best. So that's why I am filming it. I'm gonna take this thing a little further than I probably should because I haven't long-term test driven this. Think about this is what it was like in the 90s. This was your truck. And here we go. Let's turn on your cruise control. Set. And I have cruise control. Look at that. It works. I love the old rolling odometer. Just everything about this. I'm doing 68 miles an hour and it drives great. Got drum brakes in the rear, discs up front. So not the best brakes in the world, but you know what? They work. Also, because it's a 90s GM product, best part about this thing, I love this truck. Everybody at the dealership, when we took this in, they're all like, that's just cool. You know, a one family truck since new. Man, absolutely stellar service history. Man, what a blast from the past. And with only 114,000 miles, which, yeah, that sounds like a lot, but I've seen 2017 vehicles with double this mileage. So, thank you guys overall for watching. This is a little bit of an oddball video, but judging by the success of some of the other auction car videos, I'm going to continue making them just because you guys are interested, and it provides a look at cars that you probably wouldn't be able to find videos of anymore. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.